Let's cut across to that press conference live. Manish Tiwari addressing it. Let's see what the government has up to.
Process of digitization, which has been, or which was initiated by my honorable predecessor, and which has been very effectively overseen by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. Since we've gone through the first phase of that digitization process across the 4 metros, I thought it appropriate that we have a structured interaction on what our experiences have been, and if there are any questions, we would be more than willing to answer the same. If you look at it in a broad sweep, एक व्यापक परिप्रेक्ष्य में अगर आप इसको देखें, the fact that we could go through a process which involved almost 1 crore households across the 4 largest cities of India without major obstacles, I think has been a significant achievement. I do not want to get into a number game as to what percentage have we done or what percentage have we not done. But suffice to say that in these 4 metros, on cable alone, we've done about the digitization of the cable process, we've done about 96% of the households. And if you add DTH to it, if my information is correct, then we've done about 97% of the households. Now, once we have gone through the first phase, and as we stand on the cusp of the second phase, because the second phase involves 38 cities which need to be completed by the 31st of March 2013, it's important that we reiterate as to what are the tangible benefits of this digitization. The most important implication of this entire process is that it really makes the consumer the king. ये जो सारा डिजिटाइजेशन का प्रकरण है, ये उपभोक्ता को सबसे ज्यादा फायदा पहुंचाता है. In terms of picture quality, freedom of choice, and most importantly, value-added services. कि digitization से television will become an interactive experience. जैसे आज DTH में होता है, वैसे ही digitization के माध्यम से बाकी अनेकों जगह पर भी television will become an interactive experience. While we go through this process, I have requested the ministry to make a reference to the TRAI as to how do we ensure that monopolies do not continue to subsist in the marketplace. Because monopolies are the antithesis of choice. So I've requested the ministry to make a reference to the TRAI specifically as to how we can deal with this issue as we go forth with digitization between now and 2014. Since we are going to be entering the second phase, I would like to utilize this opportunity to request all the state governments, because the cooperation of the state governments is extremely crucial, critical and germane to the success of the second phase, which is going to be a catalyst in empowering the consumer. तो आपके माध्यम से जो प्रदेश सरकारें हैं, हम उनसे भी ये उम्मीद करेंगे, उनसे हम दरखास्त करते हैं कि इस प्रकरण में, इस प्रक्रिया में हमारा सहयोग करें.